Oh, hi. I was not expecting anybody. Is this MTV? So is this Vogue? Okay, if y'all are here, I guess I might as well show you around. My name is Andre and I just moved to LA, so I'm gonna show you my apartment because I just moved in. Let me show you all around. Come. So this is the living room. This is the room where I live. There's a sofa, there's a TV, there's a big mirror. What more can you ask for? I love just like watching TV on the sofa. It's so comfortable. I have taken a lot of accidental naps on the sofa. Like over here. And over here. This is the part of the living room where I sit. And I like to contemplate things. Like the time. Or, Hi, this is my office space. This is where I like to pretend to do work. Back to it. So this is the office space. This is where I do my work. I actually have an internship, so this is where I do my meetings and also have homework, so I do my shit over here. And I like recording music over here, but this is really the space where I go to do my work because it's just really nice to have like a dedicated workspace because I need to like differentiate like da-da-da-da-da. But there's a panel of windows to my right and it's really beautiful because natural sunlight comes through and I really enjoy it. Welcome to the kitchen. This is my fridge. This is the stove and this is the microwave. And this is the oven. This is my favorite part of the whole apartment. This is the island. After I'm done cooking, I bring my food over here and I eat it. Here we have a bookshelf of books because I love to read. Duh, who doesn't? This is the bed where I sleep every night. This is my clothing rack of all the clothes I brought back from home, which was apparently 40 pounds worth, but I truly only bought like 5 shirts. I don't know what I packed. Last but not least, this is the bathroom. This is the toilet where I do my business, so how about you mind your business? This is the shower, where I shower, or it could be a bathtub, where I bath. This is the mirror, where I look at myself and do my things. This is the washer dryer, where I wash and dry my clothes. Well, it was really great showing you all my apartment, but I got stuff to do, so y'all need to get out. Thank you guys. I'll just show you guys the way out. This way is the door, so you guys can just go. There you go.